Hey, hello there everyone. Ashmita this side from Saurav's classes. This is a question paper from the Information and Library Science and we are solving the MCQs. So let's get started with which among the following represent the asynchronous reference transactions. We are going to go with email over here, then web forms and no, video conferencing is not there. Ask a service. So we are going with A, B and D. So this one, A, B and D, yes. Next is we have to match list 1 with list 2. Let's go. In list 1, we have Khudabakhsh Oriental Library. Then secondly, we have Rampur Raza Library. Then we have Saraswati Mahal Library, Nehru Memorial Library, Museum and Library. Okay, so where is it located? That only we have to correctly put. Now, Khudabakhsh Oriental Library is in Bihar. Then Rampur Raza Library is in Uttar Pradesh. Then Saraswati Mahal Library is in Tamil Nadu. Then Nehru Memorial Museum and Library is in Delhi. So we can say A with 2, so this one is going, yes. B with 3, yes, this one. Next again we have a match list. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 says the conferences and list 2 says the themes. 69th IFLA General Conference and Council. So 69th, it would go with Access Point Library, Media Information Culture. This is correctly placed. B, 73rd IFLA General Conference and Council. Now this one, this would go with Libraries for the Future Progress Development and Partnership. Next is 78th IFLA General Conference and Council. This one would go with Libraries are now inspiring, surprising and empowering. Next one is 82nd IFLA General Conference and Council, and this one would go with Connections, Collaborations and Community. So yes, we have got here A1, B4, yes, B4 isn't it? B4, then C3 and D2. D2, C3, yes, this one. Option 3. So that's it, our correct answer is that one. Let's move over to next question. We have again matched them, that is with list 1 and list 2. List 1 has the authors' names and list 2 has the sources. So under author's name we have A.K. Das Gupta, then we have A.M. Levin Robinson, we have T. Besterman, then in D we have D. Loy Harold Linder. Now with A.K. Dasgupta, we can put an essay in personal bibliography. A.M. Levin Robinson, we can put systematic bibliography. Then T. Besterman, we can put the beginnings of systematic bibliography. Then Leroy Harold Linder, we can put the rise of current composite bibliography. So we are putting A2, then B3. Okay, this one is going. A2, B3, C4 and D1. Yes. So that's it. The next question is once again match list 1 with list 2 and it says list 1 says strategic sharing and B says paradigmatic sharing, C says directive sharing, D says social sharing. And on this side we have maximizing the efficiency, sharing between teachers and okay, so over here for strategic sharing we can go with maximizing the efficiency. For paradigmatic sharing we can go with establishing a novel distinguishable research approach. For C, for directive sharing we can go with sharing between teachers and students. For social sharing we can go with relationship and community-based activities. So we are basically going with A1, B3, C2 and D4. C2 and D4, yes. Number 2 is the correct answer. Again, we have one match list 1 with list 2. On this, in this question, we have metadata, and on the other hand, list 2 has the examples. So we can just match them. Administrative metadata would go with selection criteria for digitization. B, preservation metadata, that would go with documentation of the physical condition of responses. C, that is technical metadata, that might go with tracking of system response time. D, use metadata, that would go with search log. So we went with A4. A4 is only in one option. So yes, of course, this one. Moving over to the next question. Match list 1 with list 2. Once again, we have such a question. Under list 1, we have member checking. Now under member checking, okay, first let us read the options given. Likert checking, Thurstone equal appearing interval scale, then synchronous. List 2 has attitude ratings, virtual conversation, bipolar scale, re-verification of collected data and interpretations. Okay, with member checking, we can go with re-verification of collected data and interpretations. For Likert scale, we can go with bipolar scale. Then Thurstone equal appearing interval scale, we can go with attitude ratings. With synchronous, we can go with virtual conversation. So we are going with A4, B3. A4, B3 is there in only one option. So of course, number 1. So yeah, we are going to keep this class till here today. If you want to follow the solutions like this, do follow our channel. You will get to see all the solutions. And if you want to have interactive discussions in any kind of competitive exam preparation, you need guidance. In any kind of government job exam preparation you are doing, you need guidance, study materials. If you want to give mock tests, then you can join our classes. For that, do check the description box. You will get to see the official website link of our classes, that is www.sauravsirclasses.com. You will be able to get the form. Do fill it up and do contact us if you have any queries and for which subject you want to study over here. We are going to help you out. So yes, that's it for today's video. We are going to meet again in the next videos.